Hi, I'm Natalie Chin, Deputy Managing Director at Jamaica Observer, and we are about to change the radio landscape. Join us as we take the next step on Fyah 105. There's radio, and then there's Fyah 105. Follow us as we roll out our personalities. We are in the middle of our shoot. The energy is amazing. The personalities are awesome. The DJs are out of this world.
Bambino is in the building alongside this awesome and amazing Fyah team. We're here today. It's the first photo shoot. We're gonna get some nice photos today so that we can look real good for you guys. All right, so just stay tuned, enjoy the journey, and make sure you join the Fyah Fam community. Because you know it's going to be big, it's going to be loud, and you know it's like a bust the crowd. You see me? Bim! Stay tuned, don't go nowhere now. Oh.
I think it's an awesome group of talent that we've brought in. I think Fyah just has a balanced landscape of music to offer. So I think that's what will help us to stand out.
I want to say big up to everybody listening, no matter where in the world you are. I want to say love you. Thanks for tuning in to Fyah 105 FM. This is the Road Marshal, and this is the hit music station in Jamaica. So we're going to play some hit music for you right now.
I am big on EDM, I love hip hop, R&B, reggae, dancehall, so anything musically inclined I'm definitely into, and I would say I'm an expertise next to the DJ, because you know that I fit them thing and I'm like right next to it, you get me?
This crop of people going into the future, I think, is the future. We have a little bit of, I don't want to say old school, but we have people who have been there and done that and have that experience, and then we have a fresh set of people with brand new ideas and new personalities, and I think going forward, when we put all of that together, the future of this station is going to be tremendous.
The most favorite time of my life would have to be right now. Every year I try to make it better than the last. So this year, it's just greatness, like, I don't really look back.
All right, so new venture. Very excited about it. It's going to be great. We have a great team, and I just can't wait until everything comes together and everybody can see our vision. So it's going to be awesome. All right, Bim, welcome to the Fyah family. Here, Shirley Bambino alongside
Papa Sean.
And who is this?
Jade!
Over here, sir.
Nova!
Up there, sir.
Shiny day!
Round there, sir.
Brush on the Road Marshal in the house!